Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to hack Subway. Hold on. First thing you do, you download Subway Surfers and install Subway Surfers, and you just delete it. You need to delete it to know, for it to know if you're not a bot. So you need to download Subway Surfers and then delete it. And then Subway Surfers, and then you go on YouTube. Because I don't have the link. The link is on YouTube. My YouTube takes a while because I don't really, my Wi-Fi isn't really strong. Well, it's a bit strong, but like, you know what I mean. Okay, here it is. I was making a last video already. So that's the thing. But anyway, I'm just going to move that. And you will just search. It's already there, but I'll just type it for some people to see. How to hack Subway Surfers. And it will give you somebody's name that's the general broadcaster. It's right here, right there, the one I'm clicking on. And I go on it. And then I go in his description. And then you see this file right here where it says link. You click on that. I already have the file. I just downloaded the file before I started the video, so I don't need to, you know. And then it will show you what it's showing me now. And it will show you this. And I already have the file, so I don't need it to download. And when yours is done downloading, you go on your downloads right here, or files, whichever one you have. I have both, but it doesn't matter. I don't use it a lot of times. I've done it a lot, and I have to delete some. Give me a second. Delete that one. I'm gonna delete some. Okay, and you click on the Subway Surfers mod apk, and then it will show you to install, and you gotta install it. It's installing. It's gonna take a while. I don't know what's wrong with my phone. It takes a while to install. I mean my tablet. Takes a while to install the things, so I don't know why it does that. This is taking forever, but for sure your tablet or phone will not take this long to download. My tablet is just, I don't know, slow. You can call it whatever you can call it, but it will take a while to download. That's why I hate it. And when your Subway Surfers mod.apk is like downloading, it will, for you it will just take around 10 seconds to download. It depends on the amount of space you have, and you go on your downloads or your files. Go on your downloads or your files, and you install it, like what I'm doing there. I have both downloads and files. I could have gone my files, but for most people, phone, tablet, the Android devices, they only have files, that mean downloads. Okay, it's finally done. I have to tell you what you have to do. Go press done for them thing, and you go, it's right there. There's your mod. Now to see if it's running and working, you click on it, and let me show you what you have to do. It's like normal Subway Surfers. Let me show you this now. This is taking like forever. I hate it. Okay, it's finally come. Let me show you your unlimited coin Subway Surfers. Let's do this. Load. Okay, here it is. Your unlimited coin Subway Surfers. But what you have to modify that you are human automatically. You have to play it. What to do? I lower down my volume so I can. But if you die, like when it's teaching to you, you'll just go right back. You see? Until it says I rock, let's go. It'll leave me on my own. So if I die, it will not do that. It will not bring me back. It will not do that. Hold on. I need to tell me something about Hobo, but okay. There it is. And then you rock, now go. Now I'm on my own. I'm going to get rid of this hoverboard. Then kill myself. And then watch your coins and your keys after this. It's already modified. Watch your coins and your keys. Boom! You see that, guys? Boom! It's amazing, isn't it? And automatically it's already unlocked every player hoverboard, everything in that game. It's already unlocked it except for these things. You have to buy them. These things, you have to buy them. But on me, you see, everyone is already bought. The hack is already set for that. See, you can buy the second form, because they not yet release their second form. They only release the first form. See, now boards. This board, I always wanted this board. And this board is for speed, not this. That one is teleporting. That one is for speed. That one needs to jump. That one needs to jump high. So I'm gonna do the teleporting. Wait, first I have to buy some. The amount of money I have now, I can buy like 200 something. This is going to take a while. Not so much time, but like 10 seconds. Because my hands are really fast. Ah, my hands are tired. It's already 100. Going up. Click faster, guys. Click faster. Click faster. Almost reached 200. Let's do this. Okay, I finally reached 200. Let's go a little further. Okay, that's good. Now, this is, I'm gonna take off a board. And pause that. Watch the teleportation of this hoverboard. You see that? So cool, man. Shit. Okay, I died. But anyway, after a while, it will not show you keys instantly because you just started the game. Like, I'm just gonna keep killing myself until it say I can use my keys. I'll show you. Kill myself again. Kill myself again. Just kill me again and again. I think this is the last time I can kill myself. Okay, you see, save me. You see that? Now I can use my keys. I know. I don't recommend you to waste your... Although you have a lot of money, the thing about this hack, it's the money is not unlimited, but it will just last you for like to say 4 months or so. But the money will go, not the money, because when you play, you obviously get money. But the keys will go down, but the money will not go down. That's the thing about this app. I hate it. Anyway, as long as I have a hack, I'm good. This hack will only last you around 4 months, but if like your money and keys and stuff run out, you can just do the hack over again. There's no problem in that, and you don't have to download the file because you already have the file. All you have to do is delete the Subway Surfers you have there, and you go on your files and you download them. Simple as that. If your money finish, you get it back. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.